Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to change your name in CriticalOps using your mobile device. Whether you want a fresh new username or just correcting a mistake, this guide will help you step by step. First of all, open up CriticalOps application on your smartphone, and once you are inside the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Here under Actions, you will see Change Name button. Simply tap on it. Now go ahead and get to the text box at the top left, erase the current name and write down the new username you want to change to, and once done, click on Accept. While changing your name on CriticalOps, you need to spend 300 game currency. Simply tap on the Accept button if you've got enough currency and you will be able to change your username or your name on CriticalOps profile. That's how easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.